Hello my dear friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful purse charm or purse zip hanging using paper quilling strips for Mother's Day. So I will just remove it from my pouch and I will show you how it looks. So there are 3 layers which I am going to share it with you today. So this beautiful pink charm, this love you mom charm, and another one is these lovely and gorgeous flower charm. So all together you can use this as a purse charm decoration or as a keychain. Isn't it looking very pretty? So let's get started. Here I am taking 2.5 strips of pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Now I'm taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. So dome is ready, just filling this dome using glue. Similarly, I have prepared one more dome using 2.5 strips. So I'm just filling this dome as well using glue, and then I will join both the domes with each other to create ball shape. Like this, allow it to dry. Then I'm just passing one eye pin through this. From both the domes we have to pass this from the center, and then I am taking here fabric glitter paint in cherry sparkle shade by Little Birdie, and I'm applying it on the ball shape using my brush. It will give very nice strawberry color tone to your circle, and also it has beautiful glitter mixed with it, so it will also have some shine. If you don't have this kind of paint, you can just fill the whole ball using glue and then dip it into any color of the glitter powder. So in this way you can create glitter balls. But since this glitter fabric paint has already all the materials required to stick with any surface, so we don't need to add any extra glue with this. After drying, it will fix on the surface permanently. So this is done, allow it to dry. Then here I am taking 6 cm long cardboard strip and I am wrapping here dark peach colored silk thread around this to create the silk tassel, and I am going to wrap it about for 130 times. And this is done just cutting the extra thread and removing this whole bunch from the cardboard piece slowly like this. Then from top I am tying it tightly using another piece of same color silk thread. Add little glue and just fix it permanently. Allow it to dry for a few minutes. Then adding little more glue on top of this, and here I have this beautiful tassel hanging topper by Craft Gully. So I'm just fixing it on top of this bunch. Rotate it nicely and fix inside the cap nicely. Then it's dried, semi-dried, so I'm just cutting these bottom loops using my scissor. And to level it, I am first going to add little bit of water to these threads so that it will become nice and straight, and it will be easier for me to cut in one level like this. So the tassel is ready. Then here I have prepared two more domes using different sizes. So this big one is made using 3.5 strips for both the domes. I have used pink color 3mm strips and did the same process as we did for the medium size. And this is made using 1.5 strips for both the domes, and the procedure is same. I have passed pins already from all the domes. So these three sizes I have already prepared. Now taking the bigger one, twisting the bottom wire and creating the loop, passing the medium one through this. Just lock this using plier. Then below the medium one, I am cutting excess wire, creating the loop, then passing the smallest one and securing this like this. Then taking scissors and cutting excess wire, making one more loop and passing my tassel hanging through this. If your tassel cap hanging is little big, you can use one jump ring here between these two shapes. And this is done. Then to start with another charm, I am taking here half strip of dark pink color in 1mm and making one teardrop shape. You can here use 2mm or 3mm strips as well. Now I am joining total 5 petals together and making the flower. I am adding glue on all the petals to make it more sturdy and strong. Spreading the glue using brush. For the center of the flower, I have prepared this circle which is made using silver color glitter paper. This is simple punch circle, and I am adding this circle on both the sides of the flower. So this is done. In the same way, I have prepared one more flower. Now the flower is completely dried, so I am passing one silver jump ring through one petal, and I have created this pearl hanging just like we created the quill balls hanging in 3 sizes. So I am just attaching with the flower. Securing the ring nicely, and this is done. For the another flower, I have attached the silver colored chain using jump ring. So I am just joining both the flower charms together using one silver jump ring. And the second charm is also ready. Then I am starting with my third charm. For this I am taking here one strip of 2mm in yellow color and making one tight coil. Similarly, we need total 10 tight coils of same size. 5 for one side of alphabet and 5 for another side. So taking one coil and creating the heart using red color gel pen. Then on second tight coil I am writing U, then M, then O, then again M. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared one more bunch of the same alphabets. So set is ready. Then taking one pink color thread, and I have this ready charm with me. This is the metal charm. But if you don't have, you can create the quilling charm. And passing my thread through this, creating some knots and securing it using glue. Then passing one pearl through this, and here I am creating the sandwich of these tight coils. So the last letter will be M. So I am taking one alphabet, adding glue, sticking the thread on top of this, taking another M and adding this on top of the thread. So it will stick to the thread, and remember the M should face on top side. Then again I am passing one pearl and adding the another alphabet. Here by mistake I have added U alphabet, but you have to add O alphabet because it will come like love you mom. So in the same way we need to continue it till the last alphabet. And all the alphabets are attached, love you mom. Then it's time to secure the thread. So I'm passing one more pearl through the needle, and then passing one silver jump ring, creating some knots and securing it. So the super cute love you mom charm is also ready. Then taking one big size jump ring and opening it. This is quite hard, so I am using my two pliers together. Passing first charm, then second charm, and then my third charm through this. Here I have this big size lobster clasp. So passing this also using jump ring and then securing it. And the super adorable purse charm is ready. It's looking very beautiful and attractive. You can make it in any color combination. Now I am just showing you how you can put it with any kind of pouch or purses. So if you have chain or this kind of loop with your purse attached, just open the clasp and pass this through the loop or hole. and it will look like very beautiful and ready-made thing. And I'm sure you will create for your mom in upcoming Mother's Day, and you can decorate your purses or pouches using these handmade things. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.